Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot synchronizing issues with bank accounts in Cleo. Now sometimes bank connections can get a little glitchy. Here's how to fix synchronization issues so that Cleo can keep tracking your finances accurately. Step 1. Open Cleo and head to Manage Bank Accounts. You can find this inside Settings under the Linked Accounts section. And then you're going to find the account that's not syncing. So look for any warning signs or error messages besides your accounts. Then you're going to tap refresh or connect. Cleo often gives you an option to manually refresh the connection. Once that's done, you want to re-enter your login credentials. Now banks sometimes require you to reauthorize Cleo if your passwords or your settings have changed. Then you're going to see if problems persist, you want to contact Cleo support. Just provide details like your bank name, what the error says, and when exactly the problem started. By quickly troubleshooting synchronization problems, you'll keep Cleo updated and your financial overview accurate as always. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you in the next one.